Hi you guys! So this week I started a new series about letter making. I was browsing on Instagram I think, and I saw this, like those cool little wax stamps. You just put like a little bit of melted crayon, or I've seen hot glue gun or anything, and then you place a little stamp on it and then you peel it off and it's like an engraved little cute stamp. Well, it's actually so much harder than you would think it is. I think the solution that I used, it kept burning away so much. I think maybe also because my design was a little bit too detailed. I know you can also just go to some laser carving place and ask them, you give them your design and then they'll just laser it away and then basically you have your stamp. So it's really easy if you want to just get it done, but I wanted to make it at home and so I tried it, and this is my third one actually. It's sitting in the bathroom right now. I turned the fan on because the fumes are really crazy, but I also think it's because I used too much the sodium hydroxide, and so it's sitting in there and it's supposed to melt away. It's supposed to eat away the aluminum because I got the little disc of aluminum, and so I mean I'm gonna post. You'll see the rest of this video, and I'm a little bit disappointed, but it's probably because I just used too much solution. Yeah, so I guess that's what you're gonna see today. And hopefully I get it right, because I only have 4 little discs things that I got from Amazon, and they're like $7 I think, so yeah, well, enjoy! So here are the supplies that you're gonna need. What I first did was sand it down to make a smooth surface. Mine had little lines. I also drew my design on a piece of tape that I'd be sticking onto the silver aluminum disc in a second. I taped that aluminum disc up because the pure lye, it doesn't eat away tape. And I put that drawn design onto the disc also. And then you're going to cut away what you want to be eaten up. And you'll be left with, you can kind of see it's a little bit shinier on the places that I cut away. That plastic ended up kind of working, kind of not, so I'm trying a hot glue technique instead. With either the plastic or the hot glue, you want to wrap it in a little bit of wire so that you can pull it in and put it in and pull it out of the lye solution that we'll be making in a second. This is me putting it in. It's a little dark because this is probably my 3rd time doing it. That's why the solution is dark. Try not to get it on your hands because you can see the bubbles right there. This is me trying to get it. It's bubbling and because it's eating away the aluminum. But see where it's dark around the other parts? That's what it's not supposed to do. It should only do that on your design. So I think this is like the second one, the fail. I took off all the hot glue and you're left with this failure. If it had worked, it would have done its job, you know? Okay, that was the video, and I took it out. I went and checked on it pretty quickly, and again it was starting to turn black in the places that I didn't want it to turn black, the places where it wasn't supposed to eat away. I'm not gonna give up. I really do think that it's just gonna take a little bit more time. I don't know, maybe it's because my design is too detailed that it's doing that to me. If you watched till now, thanks. You're a trooper. This one was a fail. So, Bye.